In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Forms to Microsoft Forms. Now, this process is pretty straightforward, and with a few steps, you'll have your form migrated and ready to use on Microsoft's platform. So, let's get started. First, open your Google form by navigating to forms.google.com. This is where your form resides, and it's the starting point of our conversion. Once your form is open, you'll want to locate the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the page. It's sometimes known as the More or Menu option. Clicking on this icon will give you several choices, including a print option. Select Print. Now, in the Print window, you have to set your destination to Save as PDF or Print to PDF. This step essentially converts your Google form into a PDF format, which is necessary for transferring the form to Microsoft. When setting the print destination, you might notice options to include headers and footers. Make sure to deselect the headers and footers option. This ensures your PDF is clean and uncluttered. Once you're set, click on Save or Print and save the PDF file to your computer. With your Google form saved as a PDF, open a new tab in your web browser and head over to forms.microsoft.com. Here, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, you'll have to create it since it's essential to access Microsoft Forms. Once logged in, you'll see a quick import button. Click on that. A dialog box will pop up, allowing you to upload a file from your device. Select Upload from this device and choose the PDF file you just saved from your Google form. Once uploaded, Microsoft Forms will prompt you to specify whether it's a form you're uploading, not a quiz. Indicate that it is indeed a form. Now it's time to wait for Microsoft Forms to handle the conversion process. This usually takes a few moments, depending on the complexity of your form. Once Microsoft has finished the conversion, it's crucial to review your form thoroughly. Check for any formatting errors or areas where the import might have not interpreted aspects of your form correctly. As you're going through it, adjust any questions, titles, or descriptions as needed to ensure everything appears as intended. This is also a great time to customize the theme and settings of your new Microsoft form to match your preferences. Finally, once everything looks good, you're ready to share your newly converted Microsoft form. Whether it's for collecting feedback, conducting a survey, or gathering data, your form is now all set up on Microsoft Forms, ready to be sent to your audience. And that's how you convert a Google form to Microsoft Forms. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you have any comments or need further assistance, feel free to leave a message below.